Good morning, guys. So, I'm gonna do a video on something I'm pretty excited about, but I have to really quick take some frozen 2-liter soda bottles out to the bunnies to keep them cool, and then we'll get busy and I'll show you. Oh my goodness, overnight there's some kind of a big spider building a nest, or a web, sorry, underneath the bunny cage, and we ain't about that, dagnabbit. So here we go. Let's switch this one out, put it over here, and we'll give this little girl a new one as well. There you go, baby. There you go. Here. There you go. Ooh. And let's get this guy some food. Sorry, you're just kind of getting all bounced around with video. Apologize. Okay, let's see if she's got food. Yep, we're good. Okay, so gotta show you what I'm all excited about today. Good morning, everybody. Got a late start out here this morning. It's almost afternoon. My chickens are going crazy like, you forgot about us. Not today, guys. You went out yesterday. Hang on. I know it's your turn. I know it's your turn home. Alright. So, today, I'm going to show you this new contraption. Well, it's new being used so far. So here we go. Let's pull this hose out of the way. Okay, so here is this is a contraption I asked my girlfriend to make, and I'm going to show you how it works. It is a compost and worm casting sifting station, and my girlfriend built the base of it for us, and then we ended up attaching the wire, the hardware cloth, sorry, and then we ended up, so let me show you here. All right, so we made it, if you can see, we made it so that it was wide enough for the widest part of my wheelbarrow to fit in, and that it would go in enough to be under it, and then give me space to stand in between the arms of the wheelbarrow. And this is on casters, so it rolls on this here. This is 1/8 inch hardware cloth. And then my husband built this part of it, and this sets down into here. This part right here rests on the top so it doesn't, there will be a gap in between. the 2 layers, and this is 1/4" hardware cloth. So I will use this more for when I'm using it for my hot compost bin pile, and this for capturing or catching the worms as well as their cocoons. And I'm going to show you how it works. Today we'll only be showing you the 1/8" hardware cloth, because I'll be sifting worms today. So I'm gonna get my little feed scoop here. We're gonna go into probably this first bin here. There's a cricket in there. All right. So let's scoop some of this out. This is all really amazing looking soil. So what I'm gonna do is move that there, move this there, and open this up, because we will be putting the remainder into the empty side of the bin. So let's go show you how that's gonna work. Whew, it's warm out today. Yesterday it was like 96 degrees. I tried to come out and video and my phone overheated. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna try not to shake you too much as I do this. So I just rock it back and forth. This soil's a little wet, so it might take a little longer. I kind of push everything back to the center. Look at how fast that's already filling up. Isn't that crazy? Before I had this, I was literally using a round gold pan sifting tray on a bucket, and it was time consuming. So this is catching all the worms. Well, not all of them. There will be some small ones, some babies that get through. But how about that? So the remainder of this, look, you can see it. Let me zoom in. So the remainder of this is worms and larger bits that aren't going to go through, and some food. But this is just filled with European night crawlers in this batch. All right, so we will take this and lift it. We will go right back over the bins. And we will dump it into the new bin. And carry it back over and do it again. one thing that's nice is we put some, see there's a block at the end to prevent it from going off the other side. Plus it will really help the jarring of the castings. I'm gonna bring you down here to show you how amazing this soil is. I love to use this for fertilizing or feeding my soil, not my plants, but my soil. But I also use it for my seed starting mix. And it's some pretty amazing stuff. So anyway, I'm gonna get back to work, but I thought I'd share this with you guys. That is my worm composting sifter. And the greatest thing about this is I do not have to bend over. There are a lot that are made to fit just onto the base of a wheelbarrow. If I did that, I would have to bend over to shake it, and I'm not about that. So this is right at the height that I do not have to labor my back with. All right, hope you found this useful. And, you know, I'm not going to give you specs, but I did run across a video on YouTube that kind of helped with the design factor on what I asked my girlfriend to build for us. And, you know, we had to go off the dimensions of our own wheelbarrow. So, anyway, it's pretty basic, but yet so efficient. Anyway, we'll see you on the next video. And if you aren't already subscribed, you should do that now and hit that notification bell so you'll be informed when we upload a new video. Have a great day.